guys, we are here to have the demonstration of the UV lamp. This is automatic. When you put your fingers, it's going to be lighted and then it will move. No, I am using now the power bank to use it as the power of this UV lamp. I inserted this one here and here. You can use also with the socket, any socket that you can use. The socket of your phone, you can use it. And then there is a timer here. Yeah, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then now we have here the 4 things in the package. There is the one color. One color is nude. This is the color nude. It out already. This is the nude. And this is the base 2. Base 2. This is the one color also. Light with the glitters. And we have here the base 1. This is the one I didn't put already one, but it is the base 1. And this. Now we start for cleaning our fingers. You make sure that your fingers are already cleaned and ready for the nail polish. First, we will put the base. Yeah, I put it a while ago already. Yeah, you can see it's a little bit shiny already. After putting base 1, we put it here. Make sure all your fingers have the light. You can make it, if your fingers are long, make it sideways or just move your lamp like that so that it's more easy for you. And then usually it stops around in 99 sec and then it will be turned off and then you can remove your fingers. Next part is we're going to put the color to our nail. Make sure also your fingers have no nail polish. After doing that, I can put it again in the lamp for around 99 seconds. Guarantee that it's really good. Next of that is we are going to put the second base. This is the second base. This is the second base. This is the second base. Make sure that I think you need to put any mark for this nail polish because base 1 is different from base 2. Okay, this is the base 2. We are going to put the base 2. Thin layer is enough for it. Then we will put it here again for 30 seconds or until 2 minutes or whatever you prefer to put it to have a more good outcome. And that's it. I make it. As you can see, it's some kind of a wet. You feel it's like wet, but if you don't want like that, you can still put it here to make it more dry. It is really a good outcome in 2 minutes. I think I have already in 2 minutes because 99 and then 40 seconds. Yeah, that's it. And then we have here the removable special oil glue. After that, we are going to use it to clean up the top. It smells like acetone, but then after you wipe it and then dry it, I think it is more good. It is more shiny.
Wow!
And now guys, we're going to do the right hand. We're going to use my left hand. If this will be difficult for me. Now we use again the base one. Make sure when you're doing this, take it slowly. Don't keep yourself in a hurry. You need a time to do it so that you can end up with the perfect outcome of the nails you want. I will put it here for 99 seconds again. You really love designing your nails or having time to do it, you can use this. You will really have fun doing this. That's it. And after that, we are going to put our color. You can use other colors aside from the given to you, but make sure it is for UV lamp nail polish. And we will put again to the lamp. This is more fun if you are doing this with someone, with your friends, because you can do it with the other hand, you can share working together. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you will have time, just share it, and then please do comment at the comment box below if you want any suggestions, recommendations. $7, $98, $99.
Wow!
Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to put the base 2. Make sure it's a thin layer only. And we will put here and then that's it. It's perfectly fine. This is my favorite. This is my favorite.
Wow!
Burn lip, fly little bitch, put my name on the blimp. What the man know?